Hi, this is Vicky Ratnani and welcome back. Thank you for all the love and all those amazing comments. I can see it really growing. I think we are doing pretty well. Lekin, agar if there's anything which is missing, anything you want me to do, please, I would love to do that for you. Absolutely, and keep enjoying my recipes. Do write in the comment section below what would you like to cook. Anyway, it's a beautiful day out here in this lovely kitchen of mine and I'm going to be making fantastic bhajiyas. Now season aisa hai, festivals are rahe, you're going to be having parties, you're going to have people over, you want to feed somebody something nice, snacks, you want to get creative. Maine socha, why don't I create a fantastic bhajiya platter? Literally platter, because you will know what I'm talking about. We are going to do basically 2 or 3 things which we are going to make into a batter. So you'll have a whole plethora of this bhajiya, like the bhajiya world by Vicky Ratnani. Anyway, first things first, batter. Now for the batter हम लेते हैं बेसन. So हमारे gluten free दोस्तों के लिए भी ये सही है. So I'm using about 3, almost like 2 cups to 2.5 cups of besan, to which I'm adding half a cup of rice flour. Okay, being Maharashtra, we like to use rice flour. I'm going to be using a big pinch of bicarbonate of soda in this, to which we are adding namak swad anusar. Then we are adding some red chili powder. Dalte hain. I also like to add a little bit of haldi also inside to this. Okay, I love to use haldi as well as red chili powder. It's not just for the flavor. It's also the color which you get after frying. You know, that lovely sonhera sunset kind of vibe. Yeah, so I've got a nice big pinch of ajwain in this. Now, I'm going to be using a little water. Now, water, it all depends upon, you know, how thick you want it, how thin you want it. Because sometimes what we do is that we like to make thin batters, okay, for certain things. Now, ये जो bhajiyas, यानी कि fritters, are there in every culture, okay? Every culture in this world, bhajiye hote hain, fritters hote hain, they are savory, they are sweet. So, you know, now this batter in particular is definitely only for savory items. We're actually going to be doing aloo ke bhajiye. Then I'm going to be doing a kanda bhajiya, typical Maharashtrian street food style, jo even for your Visarjan parties, reunions, guests are coming over, बारिश पड़ रहा है, ठंडी का मौसम है. It's a complete total vibe, okay? Every place in India, okay, they have their bhajiya culture, pakoda culture. So you have your bhajas which come from West Bengal. So the oil will change, the spices will change, the vegetables will change. So everything, I think the whole bhajiya can be converted into a whole sustainability, very seasonal element. Perfect. ये मेरा एक batter ready हो गया ये. Okay. Now second है हमारा कांदा भजिया का batter. Okay, वो थोड़ा अलग से बनता है. So I've saved this over here. Now ये जो है हमारा batter, इसको हम अच्छी तरह पीछे रेस्ट कर लेते हैं रेस्टिंग के लिए. नेक्स्ट वी हैव द प्रेप ऑफ द वेज. पहले तो हम प्याज को डील करते हैं. तो फक्त कांदा भजिया वी नीड टू स्लाइस और अनियंस फेयरली थिन. ओके, सो ये प्याज हमने चॉप कर लिए. थोड़ा सा तकनीक लगता है इसमें. नाउ तकनीक इन द सेंस दैट मैं आपको समझाता हूँ. तो पहले ही हम प्याज काट लेते हैं. नो the piyaz ka batter, it's more like a dredge, okay? That is, if you want these really lovely, light, beautiful, lacy kanda bhajiyas, which I have actually grown up eating in, okay? Now, once you do this, okay, going to nicely break these up, okay? Once you start salting, thoda sa, I mean, as you would need, okay, they're going to start releasing some water. Okay, now I'm going to be adding this just like that, and along with this, little bit same drill. Yeah, and I don't really put ajwain in this. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to be mixing this very well. When you add a little bit of salt to this, what happens to onions? They start rehydrating. Now what mistake a lot of people do, they add water into this, which I don't really want to add. I want to use the natural, तो इसका पानी जो निकलता है ना, उससे करना है हमें. And then what we do, just थोड़ा सा light करने के लिए मैं पसंद करता हूँ, add a little bit of soda as well in this. Now बाद में जब भी मुझे थोड़ा सा पानी लगेगा, You'll see what I'm going to do later, alright? चलो इसको भी हम साइड में रख देते हैं. आजकल स्लाइसर तो बहुत मिल रहे हैं, okay? You can buy these different kind of slicers. I mean, this is a little professional Japanese है, लेकिन online you can just buy so many slicers. And you know one thing, I'll tell you, a slicer is a must, okay? You have to be careful when you use it. लेकिन you know, for precision, for sizing, wastage, costing, you know, and it's much neater, okay? I mean, everybody hasn't got the skill to kind of बिल्कुल perfectly सब same slices काटे. बनती है, practice से बनती है, but you know, don't let that hold you back from cooking. That you know, मुझे काटना नहीं आता है, मुझे कूटना नहीं आता है. Come on, that's what technology is. It's like using Google, it's using internet. So try to make use of all these lovely tools which we are getting here, you know. ठीक है, perfect. तो ये भी preparation हो गई. Great. So now we're going to be doing nice paneer pakode also, okay? So I'm cutting these into like thin, I mean fairly thin, जितना thin हो सके. Perfect. अभी आप पूछ रहे हैं ये एक के ऊपर क्यों डाल रहे हैं, मैं बताता हूँ मैं. So basically हम इसे चटनी वाले पनीर पकौड़े बनाने वाले हैं. Typical tea time snack, okay? And it's great. I mean, I remember, you know, these Sindhis and Delhiites, and you know, we all came at once upon a time from the same place. And literally, the items which are eaten as snacks at tea time and when people are over, like basically what Sindhis, we love to save money. तो जो भी घर पे बनता है, बस वही चलता है, okay? And that's also a good thing because you know, you're using good quality oil, you're using good quality ingredients. I'm not saying it's bad to eat out on the street, okay? But definitely, for sure, tamarind chutney is one of the most versatile chutneys in the world. Besides for all these applications, chaat में जाती है, dipping sauce बन जाती है, it can be made into a marinade. I do a really good tamarind barbecue sauce. So ये ज़रा ध्यान में रखियो. This sauce बहुत काम का है, and because of the sugar and the sourness and the acidity, this can stay forever. Okay, so I've got about here 500 ml of tamarind pulp. Okay, tamarind pulp बहुत ही easy है. You can easily buy it, or what you could do, tamarind pulp को लेके soak करो गर्म पानी में. After that you squash it out. Maybe on another recipe I'll show it to you. Okay, but it's very simple. So I've got 400 grams of that. I've got about 250 grams of jaggery in here. Along with that, I've got about 5 or 7 dates, which have been kind of de-stoned, de-seeded. और the usual, अभी हम डालेंगे इसमें थोड़ा जीरा पाउडर डालेंगे, थोड़ा सा रेड चिली पाउडर, नमक तो जाती है हमारी ये स्वाद अनुसार. And then we have half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of Sondka powder also, okay? Now there are various versions, like sometimes people like to use even overripe bananas. Normally when I have an overripe banana और अगर मैं tamarind की चटनी बना रहा हूँ, bing inside, I love to put that. बहुत ही अनोखा flavor है. It works out really well. So now what we're going to do is we are just going to let this cook very slowly, beautifully, okay? Now, without any wasting any further time, अभी हम इसमें थोड़ा सा पानी और मिला लेते हैं, just about 1/3 of a cup, okay? Beautiful. अभी इसको अच्छी तरह पकने देते हैं. Now, the chutney has reduced by half. It's absolutely stunning. जब थोड़ी सी ठंडी हो जाएगी, it gets nice and thick, okay? अभी इसको थोड़ा सा perfect balance. Tamarind, jaggery, the ginger powder, outstanding. तो हमारी ये tamarind chutney तैयार. Now why don't we make a lovely green chutney as well with this. So now we were talking about chutneys, okay? The three trinities, okay? One is your tamarind chutney, 2 is your mint coriander chutney, और 3 is sweet dahi. तो ये जो तीनों है ना, ये 3 are the 3 pillars of the chaat world. And you know, I use them, I mix all of them together. I create 3-4 different dips. You combine chutney and dahi, you get something else. Kebab wali chutney ho jayegi. If you do tamarind and this mixed together, dal pakwan ki chutney ban jayegi. So there's lots that can happen. Now here we have these lovely coriander. So isko literally one bunch of coriander. Make sure it's nice and clean, okay? Yeah, make sure it's nice and clean. Along with that, so I've got literally, if you go to see technically, 2 parts of coriander to 1 part of mint. Okay, so 2 cups of coriander leaves to 1 cup of mint leaves. फिर अभी हम उसमें डालेंगे चिलीज मैन, बट आई मीन आई डोंट फील शाय. 1 2 3 4 और 5. ओके, आई लव माई चिली स्पाइसी. ओके, सिंपल सी बात है. देन हम डालेंगे इसमें सम अदरक. ओके, now some people like to put garlic in their chutneys. In Maharashtra we like to use garlic. Okay, so I'm going a little heavy on the ginger. So literally 1 tablespoon, about 20 grams of ginger to about 10 grams of garlic. Okay, just cutting it into smaller kind of pieces here. Beautiful. So pakka definitely juice of 1 lemon for sure, lime, 1 lime, lemon. नींबू शरबत वाले की ट्रिक, दोनों साथ में डाल के निचोड़ो. परफेक्टो. अभी हम डालेंगे इसमें 3 या 4 आइस क्यूब. ओके, ब्यूटिफुल. देयर इज नो वाटर इन दिस. आई वांट इट नाइस एंड थिक. और अभी हम डालेंगे इसमें नमक शमक. Beautiful. So now this is what we call a lovely green beautiful chutney. Nice, the perfect acidity, the perfect spice, the perfect way. It's just going to hit the spot. Now first things first, before I get to the next, is preheating the oil. Okay, temperature of the oil is very important. Type of oil is very important. Okay, so for frying I prefer using Emami healthy and tasty ultra light soybean oil. Neutral flavor, no chip. Beautiful. You know, I've had great experiences with this. It's got a high smoking point. You can fry and even cook at very high temperatures without the oil like freaking out. So this is really good. So oil is getting hot. Remember, for frying, medium high temperatures. Okay, perfecto. So first I want to lightly season the paneer. Okay, halka sa salt. And then थोड़ी सी red chili powder, you know. Also you can add a little bit of chaat masala to this, but I like to do the chaat masala treatment after we fry it, like chapak on top of it. Okay. So next we have our green chutney. थोड़ा सा डाल देते हैं हम. Okay. हमने ज़्यादा thick भी नहीं किया, हम just a little bit, you know, just put inside. Perfect. थोड़ा flavoring के लिए. That's it. Great. Same thing over here. So in the other way you can also even marinate it, you know, with the chutney on top. Both work. Okay, so this is basically just to marinate it in between, and then on the top and bottom we can always smear the chutney like I'm doing now. So we get a little nice feel of that flavor, not just paneer shaneer. Okay, so great. तो ये अभी हम set कर देते हैं. We all ready to fry this. Great. Oil is kind of getting hot. I'm pretty happy with that. हमारा batter is well rested. Look, nice. It's got a very halka sa thick hai, but theek hai. I'm going to try one piece first to see. We're going to drain the potatoes. So oil is on a medium hot when we start to fry, and then we kind of reduce or increase the temperature depending upon ये आलू आपके कितने ठंडे हैं. Now these potatoes were at room temperature, okay, which means that they are not that cold. So see, they're getting a beautiful, lovely puffed up, beautifully cooked, lovely. ये देखिए आपने कैसे अच्छी तरह फूल रहे हैं, almost like souffle potato bhajias. वाह, क्या बात है विकी, क्या बात है. और ये जो चूरा है ना, उसकी बात ही कुछ और है बॉयज. चूरा तो पाव के साथ खाते हैं हम. Beautiful. So nice, no chip. Beautiful, nice and light, lovely puffed up. Okay, so now we've dipped the paneer now in the same batter. You could even do a thicker batter if you wish, but I think we are okay with this. Wow, now look at that beautiful, lovely, tasty paneer pakode, shakode. इसको हल्का सा प्यार से. Now you could go for a thicker batter if you wish, but I think we are pretty okay, buddy. We are pretty okay with this. Second one down. Next, our last 2 in, and then the last is the अपने आमची मुंबईचे कांदा भजी. I haven't added any water into this. It is literally the water from the onions which have made this a nice and sticky. So this is what people actually do. They make this mistake. So now I've got all these clumps. It's very simple. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take a little cluster just like this, and I'm going to be beautifully dropping in. So now you can see these are getting beautifully fried. Okay, one is almost kind of ready. Look, it's got beautiful, it's lovely, it's absolutely light, beautifully done kanda bhajia. I'm just waiting for the rest to kind of color. Okay, I know there's a little less oil in the pan, but it's all right, buddy. I maybe put in a little too extra in, but this is exactly how your onion bhaji should be. Okay, I've also got some loose onions here. Okay, we're creating different textures as we cook. Now the shape and size and cluster can be as big or as small as you wish to be. Okay, I've just done a very random kind of a thing, but look beautiful, because you know you have small bits and pieces. Imagine we are serving this in a platter. So our beautiful mint chutney, tamarind chutney to go with it. You want to put some ketchup, be my guest, ketchup भी डाल सकते हैं. और अभी हम थोड़ी सी इसमें arrangement कर लेते हैं, थोड़ी सी arrangement. And lovely मेरे crunchy bunchiya. Wow. So I hope you really enjoyed this bhajia platter as much as I did. Believe me, this is one of those dishes which is evergreen and will always stay in our kitchens, in our heart, and most important, हमारे पेट में forever. See you soon.